Hello, my name is Eric Montoya, and I'm going to be doing a star drop analysis for Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. There are two types of shards. There are character shards and ship shards. The character shards, if a character has been released a year after its release, they get put on an accelerated list, which basically means they receive double drops. Ships and characters and other characters are not on the accelerated list, therefore they only get one shard per hit. Also, there's three types of energies in this analysis: normal, fleet, and cantina. With the fleet energy, you will notice that there is another ship called the Razor Crest. I will not use this during this analysis because it's a special event. The Therefore, the first character I'm going to analyze is Vanner Chewbacca. He's on the normal type energy node, and now 5 attempts I got 6 shards. The next character is Lobot. Lobot is on the normal type of energy node, and now the 5 attempts I got it dropped. I got 4 shards. The next character is Rose Tico, and she's also on the normal energy node, which is 5 attempts. Out of 5 attempts, I got 2 shards. The next node is the fleet node, which has two different shards. It has young Lando Calrissian, which he's a character, and Lando's Millennium Falcon. Out of 5 attempts, I got two young Lando Calrissian shards and 3 shards of Lando's Millennium Falcon. The next ship I'll be analyzing is Even Hawk, which is on the Cantina energy node. And as long as I have enough energy to complete that node, I could do as many attempts as long as I have that enough energy. So out of 9 attempts, I got 1 shard. The next ship is Sith Fighter. It's also on the fleet energy node, and now 5 attempts. Out of 5 attempts, I got 2 shards. The next ship is on the normal type of energy, and it's called Emperor Shuttle. And out of 5 attempts, I only got 1 shard. The next node is on the normal type of energy node, and it also has Rey Scavenger, which is a character, and Rey's Millennium Falcon, which is a ship. So I only got 1 Rey's Millennium Falcon and 0 Rey Scavenger. This is actually a spreadsheet of the completed data analysis for the drop rate. So how I figured out the drop rate was I got the shards divided by the amount of attempts. How I got the total drop rate is I got the total amount of shards divided the total amount of attempts, which gave me a 50% drop rate, which is pretty good. I was more concerned about the hit rate because that's how many times that it will actually hit, and I'll get some shards. How I figured out the hit rate was the characters that are on the accelerated list. I got the shards and divided by 2, which gives me how many hits how many hits I got. So then I got the hits divided by the attempts, which gives me the hit rate. So how I figured out the total hit rate was I totaled out the total hits divided by the total amount of attempts, which gives me a total hit rate of 34.9%.